In today's detailed repair video, we'll show you how to fix a common issue with the iPhone 13, a black display with a green line at the top. This is a sign of internal display damage or failure, often caused by impact, pressure, or moisture. If your iPhone 13 screen is showing a similar problem, this video will walk you through the full display replacement process step by step. Let's begin with an overview of the issue and prepare for the repair. Use a pentalobe, P2, screwdriver to remove the two screws next to the charging port. Apply a few drops of 99% isopropyl alcohol along the display edges, especially near the corners. Use a dropper or a fine-tip brush to avoid spilling inside the phone. Wait a few seconds for the alcohol to penetrate the adhesive. Place a suction cup at the bottom of the screen and gently pull up to create a small gap. Now insert a thin plastic opening pick or nylon tool into the gap. Gently slide it along the edges. Start from the bottom, then move to the left and right sides. Do not insert near the top, that's where the Face ID sensor is located. If needed, add a drop of alcohol again and continue separating slowly. Once the adhesive is fully loosened, lift the screen like a book, from right to left. Be careful, the display is still connected with flex cables inside. Screwdriver to remove the metal shields covering the connectors. Always disconnect the battery first to avoid short circuits. Then, disconnect the front sensor cable and display cable using a plastic spudger. Do not use metal tools. Once disconnected, place the old screen aside. Now transfer Face ID module. This step is very delicate. Unscrew and gently remove Face ID sensor from the old display. Be extra careful with the flex cable. If it tears, Face ID will stop working permanently. Slowly lift the microphone, proximity sensor, and flood illuminator from their positions. Once removed, check for damage, and then prepare to install them into the new screen. Now place the Face ID module into the new display carefully, starting with the proximity sensor and microphone. Check the alignment of all components. Make sure the flood illuminator is facing the correct direction, or Face ID won't work. Once everything is secure, we can reconnect the screen to the motherboard. Bring the phone and new display together. Reconnect the display flex cable and Face ID sensor cable. Now reconnect the battery connector. Reattach the metal shield screws. Carefully align the new display and begin pressing it back into the frame from left to right. Apply even pressure along all edges to secure the adhesive. Finally, screw in the two bottom pentalobe screws near the charging port. Insert the SIM tray, and the hardware part of the repair is complete. Turn the iPhone on and start checking.